How to unlink phone number from TikTok. So first is you have to go to your TikTok application directly and go to profile. On the bottom part you will see 5 options there. Tap on profile, and then on the upper right you will see 3 dash lines there. Tap on that and go to settings and privacy. Now under the account section, tap on account here and then go to user information here, and basically you will see your account information such as your phone number, your email, your date of birth, and just tap on phone number here. And as you can see, if you tap on that, it's either you can change your phone number or to unlink your phone. Since we want to unlink our phone number, tap on unlink phone and then continue to unlink, then wait for it for the verification SMS message to actually pop out, and then tap it there. And now just wait for it. As you can see, phone number is successfully unlinked. And that is how you unlink phone number from TikTok. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your TikTok application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.